Hey guys, we are back with this week's edition of What's New in Subscription Boxes. I know, this is page-turning stuff that we've got to talk about. And as you can see, I'm au naturel because mostly if I put on makeup, then I have to take it off. And I work tomorrow, so I'm definitely going to have to put on the makeup. Anyway, so I have a bunch of coupons, spoilers, stuff like that. I'll link everything down in the description. We've been through that part. I really do like making these videos. I find they're fun. I know not a lot of you watch them, but maybe that'll change. Who knows? What else is new in my life? I don't know. There is a new puzzle subscription box that I saw that I'm kind of into. I'm also going to try to include some advent calendar information in this video as well. Just because that season is coming and I do love those and I've always wanted to talk about those. So I will talk about those down below as well. I do try to pick them up when I see them as well. The lesser of expensive ones. There's some that are so expensive I'm like, I cannot afford. I cannot afford a $200 advent calendar. However, I can dream. A girl can dream, right? Anyway. All right, so without further ado, we're going to hop in there. All right, so this week we are not going to start off with Unplugged Book Box, which is a new one, but we will be starting off with the Spirelli. This is the Brio Box, if you're not familiar with that box. It's like a tech gadget subscription. It's quarterly. It's about $100 a box. This is the Spirelli 2.0 Spiralizer. That will be the fourth item that they're letting us know that will be in the box. I'm not too excited by that, but maybe somebody out there is. I kind of feel like spiralizers are not over, but they've had their little run there, and that wave has crashed upon the shore, so to speak. Am I wrong? All right, next up we have a spoiler from OwlCrate, the October box. The theme will be a study in the shadows. This box is not yet available, so if you place your order now, you'll get the September box, which is the I have so much trouble saying this, Memento Mori. I go like and I can't stop. And then they will announce when this box is available. The book follows a deaf student with a connection to the afterlife and what occurs when she's accepted into a prestigious and supernatural program at the university. The book is truly perfect for fans of dark academia and atmospheric spooky vibes. They'll include a beautiful exclusive edition of the book, which will feature completely redesigned cover by Paperback Bones, signed by the author, reversible dust jacket art by KIVBUI, foil case designs by Paperback Bones, end pages by Off the Hook Studio, and a letter from the author. So that's pretty interesting. The Memento Mori boxes started shipping, and that's that. But there is another email from OwlCrate I want to share with you guys. OwlCrate now offers a rewards program. So our owls have been working so hard behind the scenes to set up a program to reward you, our lovely customers. Membership is free, and you can start earning points for simply having an account with us. So you join the program, you earn points, and then you redeem for discounts. So $1 you've spent equals 1 point. And I guess that's applicable towards subscriptions. So that's pretty cool. Depends on what the rewards are. And then they have VIP tiers. Oh, interesting. So they already have people in their tiers based on how long they've been a subscriber, I'm guessing, and things like that. So that's a pretty cool bonus to that subscription box. Next up is from Once Upon a Book Club, the October Hints. The adult box for October will have a Tell It to the Bees theme from a powerhouse duo of authors, including repeat OUABC, that's what they're called, Once Upon a Book Club, author of My Sister's Keeper and The Book of Two Ways, comes a soul-stirring novel about what we choose to keep from our past and what we choose to leave behind. This is the story of a beekeeper and her son as they move back to her New Hampshire hometown for a fresh start. New relationships blossom, but when her son's girlfriend turns up murdered, her son is taken in for questioning, and she quickly realizes the dark secrets he has kept from her. A riveting novel of suspense, an unforgettable love story, and a moving and powerful exploration of the secrets we keep and the risks we take in order to become ourselves. And then the young adult will have the matchmaking disaster theme. And this book is from the author of A Dial A for Aunties. And it will be an outrageous, laugh out loud YA rom-com. Story of a girl who's whisked from LA to her mother's native Indonesia to get back to her roots and finds herself fake dating the son of one of the wealthiest families there. So there's that. And both boxes will be they're on sale now through October 14th, just so you guys know. All right, next we have a little spoiler from Avatar: The Last Airbender box. So you can pre-order this box now. The boxes, this is, I believe, quarterly. I'm pretty sure it's a quarterly box. Most of the boxes from Culturefly are, and this is one of them. So a set of melamine plates featuring Avatar, Roku, and Kyoshi, along with a fidget cube inspired by the 4 nation emblems, are all included inside the fall Avatar: The Last Airbender box. Guess what? There's still more that we've yet to reveal inside this quarter's box. Stay tuned to see future reveals. You can still pre-order this quarter's box. Subscribe to the Avatar: The Last Airbender box for the fall before they're all gone. So there's that. And I'll show you guys again just so you can see. There's the fidget cube and the plates. All right, next up we have the Alltrue, which used to be known as Cause Box. The fall box is here. Have you seen the fall box yet? Start customizing your dream box before the most popular products are gone. Take a look at a few of your options for fall. So you can choose this large wood platter by a company called Sembla that's worth $59. The Loose Beauty Dermal Definer valued at $89. 3 products Skin Savior Bundle valued at $174. The Ecoba Citrus Juicer valued at $18. The Kaluna Silicone Kitchen Bundled valued at $25. So there is that. That's exciting. This looks all nice. I love this little thing right here. Here is a sneak peek of the Pretty Paper Club's September package. It will have a simple and sweet theme with micro dots paired with accessories that shimmer as well as shine. That's exciting. It's really pretty. I love that. Ah, blast! The Luxe Box by Decocrated is now sold out. It's actually probably better for you guys because they had such terrible shipping problems. People's boxes were literally on like a cargo ship. So whoever does their like shipping or warehousing, they needed to upgrade that. So maybe it's better that you don't buy the $350 box that's going to sit on a cargo ship for 6 months. And they were like very, I don't want to say blasé. This is not a, it's not a $20 box, you know, even the quarterly box is $80. And they were just very much like people were, and I get that they don't want people just saying just terrible things, and not all of the things that people say online are true, but they just were very, it was very hush-hush. Oh, we can't divulge any more than what we could. But anyway, the box is sold. All right, we have a Japan Crate spoiler. This is the Gooey Gummy Madness Colorful Gummy Experiment. This will be in October's crate. It is a DIY gummy kit. That sounds fun. It will also include this Bubble and Tattoo Trouble gum with tattoos. That's fun. Temporary horror tattoos and gum. Add these temporary tattoos and create a creepy hand demon from the anime Demon Slayer, or design cursed Sukuna fingers from Jujutsu Kaisen. As an added bonus, enjoy the chewing gum while making your Halloween masterpiece, coming in October's crate. Here is a Cubscription. If you're not familiar, that's the BuildABear subscription box. A spoiler for their fall box. It will have this cute little black cat. This cuddly cat in the fall Cubscription box is positively adorable. Whether you're snuggled up on the couch watching a scary movie or trick-or-treating the night away, your new furry friend will be with you through it all. So cute! I love him. We also have a theme reveal for the LOL Surprise Box, which is also from Culturefly and is also quarterly. The theme for this season is There's No Such Thing as Too Much. And you can never have too much LOL surprise. This quarters box is literally a dream come true. So click the link below to pre-order your fall box. All right, next up is a box that's available from Walmart. This is this Walmart collaborated with Space NK to create this Beauty Space NK upgraded edition. Inside you'll have Space NK, Patchology, Philip, B, by Terry, Ico, that looks like Grow Gorgeous, and Babe Lash. We are so excited to show you the Beauty Space NK Upgraded Edition. The Beauty Space NK Upgraded Edition includes 7 products from world-renowned brands such as By Terry, Ico, and Babe Lash, as well as exclusive makeup bag. This box has a total value of $90 and can be yours for just $19.98. So you can restart. This is a restart for me. Obviously, you would be starting from new. That can be yours today for just $19.99 with the Prestige Kit. So you can claim your upgraded box. So it's like, it's almost like Boxy Luxe, you know what I mean? Kind of silly, but kind of fun too. Okay, Walmart, slay, like my daughter would say, slay. Then we've got the single swag October box reveal. The September box is sold out, but the new October single swag box featuring 8 full-size products valued at $200+ is available now. And then you can get 40% off using code OCTOBER. So in here, let's look. We've got some gold eye masks, a kind bar. This looks like, oh, that's the box to the eye masks. Good vibes. I'm guessing that's like a wall thing. Looks like a headband. I don't know what this is. Some sort of a cream. Hand defense. That looks like Spongel. A necklace with a circle. There's something back there. So that's what they're telling us right now. It looks like a good box. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. All right, then we have the Carnivore Club October sneak peek. The October classic box will include meats from Fermani. They'll have their sliced Toscano salami, the sliced Genoa salami, the uncured pepperoni salami, and the sliced Italian dry salami. Sounds yummy. They'll also have the Calabrian chili. And then you have to order before September 30th to get it. But then they also have the all-in-one October complete box. That looks like an amazing box, by the way. Just, it will include sliced salami, Italian cheese blend, Tuscan crisps, Sonoma Jack's garlic and herb cheese, St. Dalfour 4-fruit mini jam, Lost Acres strawberry preserves, imperial nuts cranberry blend. Oh, that's like a charcuterie box. I didn't even know they had a charcuterie box. Did you know that? That's cool. All right, snack it up. Meet your October snack box. This box will include items from a company called Mythical Meats. It will have their basilisk stick, the Loch Ness stick, the dragon stick, and the Pegasus stick. So those are all mythical meats. I get it. I see what they're doing. They'll also have some items from a company called Think Jerky. It includes their classic beef jerky, their sweet chipotle beef jerky, their sesame teriyaki beef jerky as well. And I believe that is all. All right, here's a coupon from Facetory that's 25% off bundles. Use code BUNDLE25 in the link I have below. All right, radish kits for October are announced. So the Cooking Club will have a Bewitched Bites theme. That sounds like a cute, fun time, right? My kids right now are obsessed with these like TikTok lunchbox videos, which, by the way, this is not new. Like, look, my drawers are open. And they're like, oh yeah, they're decorating them for Halloween. I'm like, oh man, so much pressure on me as a mom. Anyway, so this is a cool way to incorporate it without the stress. Bewitched Bites and explores the mystical world of witches and wizards with recipes for magical meals. Whip up lighter than air popovers, brew a witch's stew, and delight in chocolate cake with molten center. The Bakery Club will have Spooky Sweets. Spooky Sweets bakes up scary fun. Transform cookie cake in the quick bake, creating your own spooky spiderweb. Pipe marshmallow ghosts atop ganache-filled cupcakes in the Star Bake. Bring them to life with candy eyeballs. And then the Global Eats Club, which is their new addition. Well, the Baking Club is new too, but will be Ticket to Tokyo. And in this box, Ticket to Tokyo celebrates the culture and cuisine of Japan. Explore Japanese language, geography, and traditions. Roll your own sushi, make homemade teriyaki sauce, and learn to stir fry. That sounds fun.
Oh, so that's for Radish Kids.
All right, so that's it. I actually got this in time so that there aren't 50,000 of them to go through where we're just exhausted and tired by the end. Well, I mean, I am. You're probably like, this was a boring video. So also, while you guys are here and we're looking, this right here, I believe used to have a sconce. There is, however, no electric. There's no electric there. So I don't understand how that would work. Can somebody like enlighten me? I'm not sure. I'm still figuring out all the little things going on in my house. This room, this is the master bedroom. I actually really like it. It's very neutral, and I've made it my orange room. I always have to have one orange room, and now that I'm a real grown-up, it can't be my dining room anymore. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this video a little bit. Maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? You guys have a comment. Leave me a comment, please. Please, please, please. Look, I'm going to shake the camera just so you just leave me a comment. Just leave me a comment. But anyway, no, I'm just kidding. Have a great day. I will see you next time.